I get so many questions about how this truck is built, what it's made of, and so on and so forth, that I thought I'd do a video and show you guys how it's put together, maybe help you build your own big strong snowplow and 4x4. First, the body is a Nyko body that I ordered as a spare part. Start with the frame. The way I built the frame is actually upside down. I see it's notched here and here to go around the shape of the full interior. So I started with the body upside down. I decided I wanted to keep the interior, and I built the frame just a simple ladder style frame just to go around here, fit between the wheel wells where the wheel wells would be. Battery bay or battery holder that I made. It's out of some chunks of license plate, light, easy to bend aluminum. These sides are just bent in a little bit to hold the battery in place, and the body sits down on top of it to hold it there. So in some ways I wanted this truck to operate like a normal semi-modern four-wheel drive truck. That's why we have the engine and transmission up front. Here, that's a regular 540 size motor, Stampede, Rustler, Bandit, Traxxas transmission with a hot glue gun locked differential, outputting only one side here through a shaft to a transfer case, which is a pretty simple piece. It's an old Traxxas T-Max transmission with a single speed and forward only kit installed. That takes all of the internal clutches out of this, so that's just a solid locked transmission with no clutches or trying to shift or anything like that. And that of course goes out via these two drive shafts down on the bottom here to regular Traxxas T-Max or E-Max differentials. There's one down here and one down here. The rear differential, it's just a regular Traxxas T-Max differential down in here, but it is a posi, and you can see when I spin this one, the other one doesn't spin the opposite direction. That's because I filled the differential up with some black gooey stuff, which I believe was an automotive windshield sealant or something. Very gummy tar-like stuff. Now let's flip it over and look at the underbelly of the beast here. The whole frame is made out of 1/8" aluminum, and it's actually just held together with rivets because I don't have the technology to weld aluminum, and I didn't want to waste a whole bunch of expensive M3 hardware screwing it all together. So here's the end of its box. It's just a bent piece, and it's riveted in there, and the front is the same idea. And the front suspension is lifted directly from a T-Max or E-Max. You can see there's some dirt and stuff in there, of course. There's a T-Max differential or E-Max differential. Drive shaft, just standard affair. And to mount it, I took this 2-inch wide chunk of 1/8" aluminum, bent it up into the front of the frame here. It's all screwed in up here in case I want to remove it. And a similar idea, I took this 2-inch strip and made a skid plate here, but the rear is a solid axle. So what I did was I took again, it's a T-Max, it's the rear end of the T-Max, and it is just linked together instead of a shock going from here to the shock tower. It's a piece of threaded rod, and that holds it solid, and all of a sudden we have a solid axle. I wanted some semi-realistic looking tires. That ended up being these HPI Savage tires because they have a fairly realistic looking tread.